I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
She's completely fake. And guess what? There are tons of AI avatars just like her, and people are using them to generate thousands of dollars through Amazon affiliate marketing. But the real question is, how can you do the same? Well, in just a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how. This isn't just theory. This is a full step-by-step process, from finding a trending product to generating your AI-powered product avatar, and finally, turning it into a money-making video. This video is going to be a game changer, so make sure you don't skip any part. Before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more powerful content like this. All right, ready? Let's get started. The first thing we need is a trending product, because that's what's going to drive views and sales. To find that, open your web browser and search for Amazon Movers and Shakers on Google. Click on the first link that pops up. This will take you to Amazon's Movers and Shakers tool. This page gives you a real-time list of products that are exploding in sales. Literally the hottest trending items in the last 24 hours. Now, on the left side, you'll see different categories. These categories help you find the right niche that's currently in demand. For this example, I'm going to go with beauty and personal care, but you can choose any category that interests you. Once you're in, scroll through the trending products and pick one that stands out. I'll choose this one right here. Now, click on the product image to open it, right-click, and download the image. Boom. That's our first step done. Now that we have our trending product image, it's time to turn it into an AI-powered talking avatar. For that, we'll be using Topview AI, the tool that's going to make this entire process super simple and powerful. So, go ahead and click the Topview AI link in the description, and it will take you straight to the website. Once you're there, sign up for a free account if you haven't already, and log in. This will bring you to the dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now, on the middle bottom menu, you'll see different options. Click on Product Avatar feature. This is where we'll transform our product into an AI-powered video. Here's the fun part. Topview AI gives you access to over 100 plus AI avatars, ranging from realistic humans to animated characters. You can scroll through them and choose the one that best fits your brand or product. Once you've chosen your avatar, simply click on it. Now, let's upload our product image. Click on Upload Image. Select the product image we downloaded earlier and upload it. Instantly, the AI will auto-remove the background to make it look clean and professional. But if there's anything off, don't worry, you can manually adjust the image. Now, use the simple drag and drop tools to adjust the position, resize, and rotate the image until it fits in a safer area for the product. If part of the product is getting cut off, use the masking tool to fine-tune the edges. This helps the AI understand what part of the product should stay visible. If we want to change the product image again, we can do it by just clicking this button. Once everything looks good, click Generate Sample Avatars. In just a few seconds, the AI will create different styles of avatars using your product image. Take your time to browse and pick the best one. If none of the options work for you, just click the Regenerate button to create new ones. For this example, I'm happy with this avatar. I'll select it and click on Image to Video Avatar, and here's where the magic happens. The AI will animate your product avatar, making it move, talk, and look completely lifelike.
I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer need to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products.
If you need to reanimate it, simply click this button. Once the animation is ready, save your avatar by clicking on Use My Script, and now it's officially added to your avatar collection. This means you can reuse it anytime for future videos without starting from scratch. Now, let's move to the next step, turning this into a viral marketing video that will make you money. First, we need a script. You can either write one manually or import an audio file. Now, let's talk about the AI voiceovers. You have access to over 100 different high-quality, realistic voices. This means you can add a professional touch to your videos without needing any recording equipment. You can even filter the voices by language, gender, age, and style. Let's sample a couple of voices.
Welcome to Topview.ai.
Welcome to Topview.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform.
Welcome to Topview.ai.
Once you've selected a voice, click Confirm, Then click the Generate Video button. What if you don't want to write a script yourself? No worries, let AI handle it. For that, click on the Topview AI icon to access the dashboard. Now, go back to our product page and copy the link by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click and hit copy. Then, come back to the dashboard and paste the link here. Now, click on the Create Video button. If the target website blocks access to fetch the URL, here's how to bypass it. Start by clicking on Get Chrome Extension. When the new screen appears, click Add to Chrome. The extension will download automatically and be added to your browser. Next, pin the extension for easy access. Now, go to the website containing the URL you want to convert into a video. Once you're there, click on the Topview extension. It will instantly detect the URL. Simply select Convert this URL to video, and the system will begin analyzing it. Once the analysis is complete, click for the video. You'll be redirected to the Topview dashboard, where the AI will process the URL automatically. A pop-up window will appear showing videos and images that the AI has automatically selected based on your product URL. If there's any media you don't want, you can simply uncheck it, but I recommend keeping them all selected for the best results. Once you're satisfied, click Continue. If you'd like to add different product images or videos, you can easily upload them here to include them in your video. The Create a Video About section is the product information based on the URL you provided, which the AI uses to focus the video on your specific product. Below that, you'll find the video brief. This is where the AI extracts key product information to be covered in the video. You can also add or edit points you'd like to include. Alright, now we're getting to the most important part. Here, you can select the video aspect ratio that best suits your needs. If you're looking to create a horizontal video for YouTube or other long-form content, you can easily switch to a 16:9 format. Next up, you'll want to choose a language. The AI supports over 20 languages, making it a great tool for creators who are targeting a global audience. For this video, I'm sticking with English. Now, let's talk about voiceovers. You have access to over 100 different high-quality, realistic voices. Let's sample a couple of voices. Here's a young female voice.
Welcome to Topview AI, the ultimate AI.
And here's another male voice.
Welcome to Topview AI, the ultimate AI.
For this video, I'm going with this American female voice. Once you've made your choice, just click Confirm. Now, let's talk about avatars. You have access to over 100 AI digital humans, each representing different ethnicities, ages, and styles. Additionally, we've created a custom avatar using your product image, which you can also choose. These avatars look incredibly realistic and can add a dynamic touch to your video. However, if you prefer a video without an avatar, simply select the empty bar to opt out. For this video, I'll be using our custom-generated avatar, specifically designed to represent our product. Once you've made your selection, just click Confirm and you're all set. Everything's done. Let's generate the video. Click on Generate. The AI gets ideas from 5 million popular TikTok and YouTube videos to create the perfect script for you using GPT-4. Okay, now you can see the AI has made 3 different scripts. Take a look at the scripts and choose the one that you think is best. Honestly, all 3 scripts are great, but personally, I prefer the first one. You can also make changes to the script as you wish. Additionally, if you want to give your video a more professional touch, click on Edit to customize it however you like. For example, if you click on the music icon, you'll find a variety of royalty-free background tracks. Choose the one that fits your video best, and you can even adjust the volume by setting the sound level to your preference. Now, let's head back to the editing dashboard. If you want to replace a shot you don't like, simply click on this icon. For example, I'll swap out this image with a better video from the available options. Once you've made your selection, click Confirm. Next, let's set up an AI avatar. Click on the avatar option, adjust its position on the screen, and then hit Confirm. To customize subtitles, click on the icon. Here, you can adjust the style, position, and height to match the overall vibe of your video. For more options, click on the 3 dots. The first option allows you to add transitions between scenes by selecting the transition icon. You can also change the background fill mode by clicking this icon. Choosing Cover ensures the video fits perfectly on the screen for a more polished look. And finally, you can add, duplicate, split, or delete scenes. giving you full control over your video structure. When you're satisfied with all the edits, click Export. One last note, lip syncing will be perfected after exporting, so don't worry if it's slightly off in the preview. Export your video, and here's the final product. Take a look.
Doctors don't want you to know this about deodorant. Is your deodorant lying to you? Exposing the truth. Been testing beauty products for years. Trust me, I know my stuff. I would never gatekeep something this good. Seriously, aluminum, parabens, phthalates. Nah, we don't do that here. This native deodorant is aluminum-free, keeping you safe and fresh. 72 hours of odor control. I'm gonna smell amazing all weekend. Seriously, I put this to the test. Concerts, gym still fresh. Coconut oil and shea butter. My armpits are thanking me. Naturally derived ingredients that actually keep you smelling good. Glides on smooth like butter. No chalky residue. Huge win. The unscented version lets you shine. No competing smells, period. Never tested on animals. Just happy humans. Love that. Okay, besties, run, don't walk. Link in bio to native deodorant. Seriously, thank me later. You need this in your life. Shop now.
The video turned out amazing, right? Did you notice how naturally the avatar moves and explains everything? Plus, the scenes switch every 3 to 4 seconds, which really keeps things engaging. If you're impressed by this AI, there's a free version available, but you can only export 2 videos with a watermark. Honestly, if you were to outsource this, you'd easily be looking at $200 or more for a single video. That's why I'd recommend upgrading to the starter plan for more features and flexibility. It's totally worth it. And before I go, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a step-by-step breakdown like this. We're diving deep into AI-powered automation to make online money easy for everyone. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.